SB19 winning non-voted awards slammed bashers. These comments from people who continue to attack, shade, and bash SB19 without provocation didn't age well. One account commented, dapat may panalo nila yung main awards based sa artistry. Yung fan voting ginawa lang para kumita yung organizer. Sa totoo lang, pangit ang dating kung manalo sila sa fan voting tapos talo sa main award. Lalabas na nanalo lang sila dahil sa votes, not because of merit. Another said, okay lang naman ang fan vote, parang pakonsuelo di bobo na yan sa mga artists na di kaya ma-reach yung top pero promising naman yung mga kanta. Bagay to sa mga nagsisimulang artists para ma-recognize naman sila at makilala. Ang pangit lang pag puro fan vote ka lang na nanalo ng award. So they are shading and belittling fan vote awards, calling it pakonsuelo di bobo, at pangit kapag fan voting ka lang na nanalo at hindi sa main awards. And they're shading SB19 kesyo hanggang fan voting lang. Now, SB19 has won 2 main awards plus Josh Collins Award as a solo artist are all panel voted and not fan voted awards. They won based on merit and artistry. But then their idol has won only fan voted awards. Their shades has really backfired big time. That is why wag na wag niyong maliitin ang mga fan voting dahil darating talagang araw na magkakandara pa kayo, maipanalo lang yan. So, ano kayang feeling na minamaliit nyo ang fan voting? Pero yan ang inuwi ng mga idols ninyo. At ano ang feeling na minaliit nyo ang SB19? Pero heto, nag-uwi ng mga panel-voted main awards. And also, imagine if 18 decided to participate in the voting, tiyak na marami ding iuuwi ng mga fan voting awards ang aming mahalima. But then, the fandom has already decided not to participate in any fan voting with money involved. So, lesson learned, huwag magsalita ng tapos para di masubo ang sariling suka.